Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that SubHub token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, SubHub, the feature of tokenized Web3 messaging. SubHub is the premier cross-chain messaging and marketing hub for Web3, enabling projects to connect directly with users through AI-driven real-time communication. Unlike fragmented Web2 tools, SubHub leverages blockchain messaging, tokenized engagement, and AI-powered audience segmentation to maximize reach, personalization, and conversation. Decentralized wallet-based messaging directly reach wallet addresses and DID across multiple chains. AI-driven targeting and users profiling deliver ultra-personalized messages that drive action. Read to earn and tokenize marketing reward users for engagement, ensuring high retention and response rates. Cross-chain subscription management project gain full control over their audience and analytics. SubHub token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supplies around 94 million. SubHub token is listed on Binance Alpha, Gate.io, MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my if I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.